Welcome to the first edition of the Duarte Show. You must be watching fake news media, Fox News, or living under a rock to know our country's in shambles. And our country is heading towards a hell bomb despite the efforts from a certain president from 2022 to 2023. We are importing ideas from the elites, and the American people want answers on how they keep getting into the office. Our judicial branch are in shambles. You can be arrested for talking out against the government or even deported. We are going to expose the radical and the enemy from within and how do they keep getting into office. Hopefully, we find out the answers. Join me in the Council Youth Revolution to find out how can we stop it and how can we get our turn in politics.